Now this video, we've grounded the bottles, right? This part 2, and I want to grind this dry pepper. I want to see if it can actually grind pepper to look like grinded pepper, what we call it in Yoruba. So let's see if we can do that. I did not clean it. Let's show them inside. I did not clean the cover, so it might come out white. You understand? So let me show you if it can do that or not. Are we ready? This is the bottle, this is the pepper. So we'll do one more rev. Personally, I don't know what to expect with this because the bottles were quite stronger, so I'm not sure if it will be very, very grinded, but let's hope it is what we expect. So this is the results so far. We're going to go ahead to grind it one more time. This is the pepper so far. We're going to grind it one more time to see if it can become better than this, maybe more powdery than this. So I'm taking it from the level it was to now the highest grinding level. Now we've grounded it again. Let's see if it becomes better, right? And let's see if we get the result we're expecting. And now we have atagigun, the standard kind of. I'm scared of pepper anyways, but let's. Oh Jesus, this is so peppery. So this is the filter that comes with it, and this is the result of what we've grounded. So if you have not bought this one, it's available on pre-order for this particular size. It's available on pre-order for just 28,000 naira, this particular size. If you want to buy it in Nigeria, we're giving it out for 50,000 naira. But we don't, this is the last one we have. We thought to make the sample. This is the result of the pepper. This is the result of the bottle. Thank you for watching to the end. See you in the next video.